The Hoover Dam is a modern marvel of engineering that stands as a testament to American ingenuity and determination. Located on the border between Arizona and Nevada, the dam impounds Lake Mead, the largest man-made reservoir in the United States. Welcome back to the Travel Guide. In today's video, we will be highlighting the Hoover Dam and why it's a modern marvel of engineering. The Hoover Dam is situated approximately 35 miles southeast of Las Vegas, Nevada, and about 45 miles northwest of Phoenix, Arizona. Construction began in 1931 and was completed in 1935, making it one of the most impressive engineering feats of the 20th century. The dam was built during the Great Depression, providing jobs for thousands of workers at a time when employment was scarce. One of the most impressive aspects of the Hoover Dam is its size. The dam stands 726.4 feet tall, making it the highest concrete dam in the United States. It is also over 1,200 feet long and contains over 3.25 million cubic yards of concrete, making it one of the largest concrete structures in the world. The Hoover Dam was built to control the Colorado River and provide hydroelectric power to the region. The dam's generators produce enough electricity to power over 1 million homes, making it a vital source of energy for the southwest United States. The construction of the Hoover Dam was a massive undertaking that required the cooperation of thousands of workers. The dam was built using a combination of traditional building techniques and innovative engineering solutions. One of the most impressive feats of engineering involved the use of high scalers, workers who hung from ropes to chisel away at the rock face of the canyon to prepare it for the dam's construction. The Hoover Dam is not only a testament to human ingenuity and determination, but it is also an important symbol of American progress. The dam's construction marked a major milestone in the country's history and helped pave the way for future development of the southwest United States. In addition to its practical uses, the Hoover Dam is also a beautiful and impressive piece of architecture. The dam's Art Deco design features ornate decorations and sculptures that depict the history and culture of the southwest United States. Today, the Hoover Dam is a popular tourist destination and attracts millions of visitors each year. Visitors can take tours of the dam and learn about its history and construction. They can also visit the dam's power plant and see the massive generators that produce electricity for the region. The Hoover Dam is a modern marvel of engineering that stands as a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Its size, construction, and importance to the region make it a must-see destination for anyone interested in the history and progress of the United States. Its beauty and impressive design make it a fascinating and inspiring place to visit. With that, we've reached the end of our video. To see a list of our favorite and most useful travel gadgets, check the link in the description. We hope you enjoyed our video on the mighty Hoover Dam, a modern marvel of engineering.
If you've enjoyed our video, check out these other recent videos from the Travel Guide. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.